Hey guys, it's Matthew from Matthew's Fan Videos. And today, what I have here to show you for my 11th remake is this Kenmore 12-inch oscillating table fan. I got this from Sears, and I got it at a really good price. It was about $10 to $20, and yeah. Oh, and just to let you guys know, if you guys want Kenmore products, they're only available at Sears because Kenmore is a brand that's been accompanied by Sears. So, if you want Kenmore products, go to Sears. And here are the speed settings. You have low, medium, and high. But one thing you may notice about the medium setting, the word, it's pronounced as med. Well, not really pronounced as med, that's just how they put it. But it's still medium, no matter how they put it. So, yeah. Oh, and I also forgot to tell you guys, one of the new safety features that they added to the newer models of the fans is this replaceable fuse plug. You guys can see that there's a little compartment to put a fuse in case if the fan dies. And this fuse plugs is about 5 amps. So, yeah. So, let's go ahead and turn this fan on. Starting off with low, without oscillation. It's pretty quiet on low. Here's medium without oscillation. It gets a little louder, but it's still pretty quiet on medium. And here's high without oscillation. It starts to get a little bit loud on high. And we'll now put it on low with oscillation. Here's medium with oscillation. And here's high with oscillation. So we'll turn the oscillation off, and we'll go ahead and we'll turn the fan off too. As you guys can see, it has clear blades, which is a very awesome feature. And there you have it, guys, my Kenmore 12-inch oscillating table fan. I hope you liked this video, and be sure to comment, rate, and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on post notifications. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.